Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy industry developments. U.S. electricity demand is projected to rise significantly over the coming decades as artificial intelligence, data centers, electrification, and advanced manufacturing drive increased energy consumption. According to the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, annual U.S. electricity demand could increase by 55% by 2050. The U.S. Energy Information Administration also projects continued growth in electricity consumption, with expanding data center operations among the major drivers. Key factors driving this trend include growing demand from AI and data centers requires reliable, continuous power, expanding electrification across transportation, buildings, and industrial sectors, and increased investment in generation, transmission, and grid modernization to support long-term reliability. As electricity demand continues to grow, utilities, regulators, and grid operators will need to expand infrastructure, strengthen grid resilience, and ensure reliable, affordable power for the future. For more timely updates and analysis on energy trends and grid development, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the developments shaping America's energy future.